So apparently the ride, you can see the machine is at a very steep angle. The back of the machine is actually touching my wall now. And the bumpy ride through the construction was a little bit more than I think the cart was designed to handle. So I have to take my machine out and somehow repair my cart. Fun. Two guys. Alright. Hang on. My necklace is hurting. Okay. You ready? Yep. Everybody ready? Lance, you ready?
Yep.
1, 2, 3.
Up. Down.
Down.
I didn't have something to push against. I would have broke these going against them.
I'll probably lean in on this one. That's good. It can sit right there until we're done. So, got the machine off the cart, and now you can see exactly how bent and warped this is.
You know you're totally doing that.
So we got the machine off the cart, and you can see how badly bent the wheels are. Way wrong angle. So now we're going to take all this apart and redo them. What the wheel's supposed to look like mounted. And this is basically all going to get cut off right about here, I think. Yeah, we're going to cut it off right at this point. Straight across there. So we got it all reassembled with it all cut and ground off, and so now I'm just like reassembling the cart after cutting off the old wheels. Okay, so we got the new wheels bolted on, ready to go. All four. Looks really good where we cut it off flush.
Drill the holes and all that.
Okay, I just drilled my holes for the lag bolts. I'm getting ready to put those in. Okay, here's the final machine in place. Got all the lag bolts are installed properly. Those right over there and that one right over there. So those are in pretty good. No, and there's bolt heads at the top, but that's okay. I'll work around that. Everything looks great. Overall, I lost 3.5 inches on the height of the cart because it was measuring up to 8 inches up to here to the ground, and now it's 5.5. So the whole machine is a little bit shorter, but that's not a big deal. I can live with that. Ta-da!